very timely
right
now. My goodness.
Yeah, I mean, there were really strong wind gusts last night as those storms came through. And that can trigger some questions, not just from the kids, as a matter of fact. Yesterday was a record-setting day. We hit 86 degrees Sunday afternoon, right around 4 o'clock. So that is not just a daily record for March 22nd. That is actually the warmest day we've ever had in March. So this was a significant day. And the storms yesterday were able to use all of that warm energy to really build up those storms. By comparison, today we only hit 44. So the air behind that system was much, much colder. North of us, we do have a few snow showers showing up right now in parts of north central Ohio and over toward Cleveland. Some of that might be getting to the ground, but not all of it. So you might have a few flurries out of it. That's pretty much it. We're dry on Dublin Road. We've got sunshine on the downtown skyline, but plenty of clouds in between. So right now at John Glenn Columbus International Airport, 41 degrees. Feels like 33 because of the wind out of the northwest. Still screaming in here 14 to 20 miles per hour right now, and that will be the case through a lot of the evening, and then it will quiet down a little bit. These are your D.R. Horton America's Builder current conditions. North of Columbus, you're mainly in the 30s. South of town, lower 40s. Wind chills drop you to 29 in Mount Gilead and Bucyrus. Cambridge still feels like 38, and Caldwell at 34. A little bit of clearing over the next few hours, and then clouds start coming back again, but they're scattered. It's just going to be a partly cloudy night tonight. We will get cold enough, though. You might have to do some scraping in the morning. We can have a little patchy frost. We'll drop into the 30s by 8 o'clock tonight, and your overnight low will dip into the 20s in Columbus. Outside of the outer belt, you're going to be low to mid-20s and partly cloudy. So that's another reason why we have all the right ingredients for some patchy frost to begin forming. High pressure is in the region by tomorrow morning. You can see the swirl this direction. See that? That's your high pressure in the area. And that will be for most of the day on Tuesday before it starts to move on to the east. As it moves out, that'll leave room for a few more clouds to start getting in here, and your Wednesday is likely to be partly to mostly cloudy, but it will still be a little bit warmer. We'll get this flow coming up out of the south and southwest, and that will help boost those temperatures a little bit so that we're a little closer to average for this time of the year, which would put us in the 50s. So tomorrow, 28 degrees on your way out the door in the morning, a little bit of patchy frost possible. And then on your way home, we're 49 degrees with the wind that's not quite as strong. We're going to get into the lower 50s, and that will actually happen late in the afternoon. So you'll probably even get on that bus on your way home before the actual high temperature happens. So for the day tomorrow, 53 degrees, really close to normal for this time of the year. And then a warmer 66 by the time we get to Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be dry. The clouds will start thickening up. And then on Thursday, you're going to recognize this pattern. We start warming up. We get to 74 degrees. And then we get some storms Thursday night. Those will linger into the early morning of Friday. And Friday's high is only going to be in the 40s again.